Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to send documents on Messenger. To begin, open the Messenger application on your mobile device or computer. Next, carefully select the specific contact or group chat where you intend to share your document. Then, look for and tap the attachment icon, which usually appears as a paperclip or a plus symbol, to initiate the process of selecting your file. After tapping the attachment icon, you will need to navigate through your device's file system to precisely locate the document you wish to send. Messenger supports a wide array of document types, including common formats like PDFs, Word documents, and Excel spreadsheets. It is crucial to ensure your document size does not exceed the platform's typical limit, which is generally around 25 megabytes, to guarantee a successful and smooth transfer. Once you have successfully located your document, simply tap on it to attach it directly to your message. Before proceeding, take a brief moment to quickly review the attached file to confirm that it is indeed the correct one you intended to share with your recipient. Finally, press the Send button, which is typically represented by an arrow icon, to transmit your document efficiently to the chosen contact or group. After sending, it is a good practice to verify that your document has been successfully delivered by checking the message status, which usually displays a Delivered or Seen notification. For files larger than 25 megabytes, consider uploading them to a cloud storage service and sharing the secure link through Messenger. Always double-check your recipient carefully to avoid sending sensitive information to the wrong person.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.